Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I struggle to regrow my edges, and we have some edges here, and this ingredient helped me to regrow my hair really quick and fast. So if this sounds interesting, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. So this is going to help you out if you're suffering from alopecia, bad edges. For today's recipe, we'll be using cloves, Chebe powder and rosemary leaf. Okay, so we'll also be using some oils. These are the oils we'll be using. We're using amla oil, we're using olive oil, we'll also be using avocado oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, and my favorite is moringa oil. So we're needing a clean bowl just like this to mix all the ingredients, and I'm using a measuring spoon. So guys, Chebe powder is originated from Chad. Okay, it helps to moisturize your hair, it helps to protect your hair against breakage, and helps to retain length. So I also be using rosemary helps to promote hair growth, it helps to cleanse the itchy scalp, and I'm using also cloves. Cloves is one of the amazing ingredients. It's all over the internet. It's also good for hair growth. It moisturizes your hair, it helps to prevent your hair from breakage. It helps to in cleansing your scalp. So guys, I'm just going to be adding all one teaspoons of oils. All these oils, I'm just going to be adding them. All these oils I'm using are very helpful for hair growth. So after these oils I'll allow this to infuse fam. So please keep on watching. So from after several hours of infusion, I will transfer these oils in my application bottle. Right now I'm just adding amla oil to it, then I'll transfer this in my application bottle. If you want to sieve this out, you can sieve it if you want. If you don't want to sieve it, you can just leave it just the way I left mine. I'm leaving mine like this so that it will keep on infusing for a very long time till the oil is finished before I add more oils to it. Okay, I hope this is helpful. So guys, I use this on my front edges. I'll show you all how I applied this recipe on my hair that helped me to boost out my edges. Like you can see from the beginning of the video, I lost my edges. So this is the spray. I just added 1 tablespoon of Chebe powder, half teaspoon of cloves, and also half teaspoon of rosemary. I allow this to infuse overnight, and this is just me sieving it out. Okay, so I'll just sieve it and leave the water in my spray bottle. I also added a little bit of the oil in my spray bottle just in case I don't add oils on my hair. I can just spray this on my hair and my hair is moisturized, is sealed and moisturized. Okay guys, so please keep on watching so that you can see how I apply this on my hair. Is really important. So from this is application time. I'm going to lose one of my hair because I braided my hair. I did a wash routine. Yeah, my easiest wash routine. I'm going to leave it somewhere in the car. Please do well to check it out. I used only natural ingredients for that video, and that is how I used to wash my hair. I use only natural ingredients. So here I'm just losing out the braids I did on that video. I'm just losing it out just to show you guys how you apply this on your hair. So guys, after I lose the braid I had earlier on my hair, I'm going to spray this on my hair. My hair looks a bit dark. I don't know guys, what do you guys think? So this is the spray. I'm just going to spray this on my hair, and I will gently massage it on my hair. So please guys, try follow the method of how I'm applying this on my hair. It's really important. So I'm just going to be spraying this all over my hair, and after I spray this all over my hair, I massage. Massaging is the key. You need to massage this ingredient inside your hair so that your hair can absorb the ingredient. Okay, if your hair is dry and does not absorb ingredient enough, try using the ingredient when it's a bit warm so that it can absorb it more. So I'm going to be using my Cantu for this. If you have Cantu, or if you have any other leave-in condition, you can use that. I have Cantu. I'm using my Cantu for this video. So after applying my Cantu on my hair, I'll be using the oil. So this oil, you can see I still left the ingredient inside so I had to keep on infusing. So I'm going to adding the oils on my hair. After adding the oils on my hair, I will use my butter. I did a video about the butter which will be dropping after this, so please do well to watch the butter. This butter is really moisturizing. Your hair will keep on remaining moisturized. Like, guys, this recipe I did, don't use it every day. You can use it today, skip the next day, and use the next day. Okay guys, I don't use this every day. I use this today and I'll skip the next day and use it the upper day. I think that makes sense. Yeah, so I'm also adding it at the ends of my hair because those are the older parts of our hair and they also need treatment. So after applying this at the ends of my hair, I will braid my hair, and this helps my hair to grow. Like, I'll be showing you all my front edges. Like, this is a live feed of my front edges. So as you can see, I didn't have edges before, but now you can see the edges are there. Can you guys see the edges? So I hope this was quite helpful for you. I hope you learned one or two things in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. Turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried Chebe powder before? And I will see you all in my next one. Bye for now.